Hey guys, if your projector turns on but there's no picture on the screen, you're in the right place. A projector with no display is usually caused by the wrong input source, a loose or damaged HDMI cable, the computer not sending a video signal, or an unsupported display resolution. In some cases, the projector may still be warming up or the lens cap may not have been removed. These are the steps you can try to fix this and restore the picture on your projector. So, let's get started. 1. Select the correct HDMI, VGA or other active input source using the projector source input button. 2. Disconnect and reconnect the video cable, then try another HDMI cable or port if available. 3. On your computer, press Windows plus P and choose duplicate or extend or detect the display manually. 4. Set the computer to a projector compatible resolution such as 1920 into 1080 or 1280 into 720. 5. Restart both the projector and the connected device, then test the display with another input source if necessary.